Hello, today I'm going to be presenting my birthday polynomial project. For today's project, I'm going to use John Salerno's birthday, which is 10/09/1940. As you can see here, these are the numbers. After this, we're going to reverse the numbers. So our reverse number is going to be 0, 4, 91, 90, 01. For the function, I chose to do a negative 4x to the power of 6 minus 9x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 minus 9x to the power of 3 plus 0x to the power of 2 minus 0x plus 1. As you can see, the zeros are not going to affect our functions, so we can take them off, which is going to give us this. It's the same function, just without the zeros. And here, in our function, because we have the negative on the front, it's going to be a reflection over the x-axis. After we are done with the function, making the function, we're going to graph it. And this is what the graph looks like. The points are going to be negative 2.59 and 89.862, which is all the way over here, but I didn't have those space to make it, so let's just pretend that it's over here. For the next number is going to be negative 2.51 and 0, which is here. The next one is 0 and 1, which is this one. And the last one is going to be 0.442 and 0, which is this one. And as you can see, for the domain, we have a negative infinity to a positive infinity. And for the range, we have a negative infinity to a positive infinity. So those are going to be our domain and range for this graph. For the information that we got from the graph, from the table of our points, we can know which points are the x-intercept and the y-intercept. For the x-intercepts, y is going to be 0. So we're going to go to a table and find numbers that are 0. We have 1 here and 1 here. And for the x, it's negative 2.51 and 0, which is here for a y or x-intercept. And the other number is 0.4420, which is here, 0.4420. For y-intercept, is going to be the opposite. If for the x-intercept, we needed for y to be 0, for the y-intercept, we need for x to be 0. And here in the table, we only have 1 0 in the x, which is 0, and 1, which is our y-intercept, 0 and 1. For the end behavior, we're going to need to go back to the graph and see our graph. Okay, here, as you can see, the graph is falling to the left and falling to the right. So when we go to the end behavior, we're going to write falls to the left and falls to the right. Last but not least, our maximum is going to be negative 2.059 and 89.862, and our minimums are going to be 2 points, which is negative 2.51 and 0 and 0.4420. Well, this is the last thing for my presentation. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video and listening to me. Bye bye.